In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a new post on a blog. The first step is to go to the blog and to log in. Once you've logged into the blog, we need to get to the dashboard. We can get to the dashboard by clicking on this Site Admin link. This is the dashboard. The dashboard contains all our tools for editing different aspects of the blog. It might look slightly overwhelming, but to just create a new post, all we need to do is go up to the top right here where there's this new post button. Once we've clicked new post, we are given the new post editor. Here we can give our blog a title, our new blog post a title. And here is where we can type our content. Blogs support all sorts of media that can be added. So I can add an image, a video, some music, or other sorts of media. So I'm going to try adding a picture. Some of this will look a little different if you're on Windows, but the basics are that you're finding a picture you have on your computer that you can use for this purpose. WordPress will upload the picture and then let you choose to enter it into your post. The image I actually uploaded here is very large. It's 1680 by 1050 pixels, which is way bigger than most people's monitors. WordPress is smart and can automatically shrink images that are way too big, though I can still choose to show it full size if I really want to show the image that big. But I'll stick with medium, and then if I click this Insert into Post link, it'll actually add the picture to my post. Now what you see here is HTML code, which if you don't know how to program looks like a foreign language. There's a tab right above the content area of your blog post where you can switch between a visual version of editing, which might be more like a word processor that you're used to. So you can add bold text, you can italicize it, and so forth. You can change the size, you can change the justification, and you can do all sorts of things, and I suggest you play around with it. Now let's say I was done with this post and I'm ready to publish it. Then on the right side of the screen there's this Publish button. If you click that, WordPress will publish your entry. And a message here at the top indicates that indeed my entry has been published. And I can click here and view it. So now when people come to the blog, my new entry is on top and this older one goes below it. Blogs always display things in reverse chronological order, so the newest content is always on top. Now that I've published a blog, let's say I found a mistake. Let's say I didn't want that italics to be centered, I wanted it back over on the side. You can always edit an entry later, and that is by going to the entry and there's an Edit button. This will bring me back to the post editor where I can make the changes I need. And then instead of Publish, this says Update now. Once I've updated my post, I'm going to check on it, and indeed it has changed the way I wanted it to. Now that I've published this, anyone can come and comment on my article. They can click this comment link and they can leave a reply. By combining media and discussion in this way, blogs can be very powerful to create group environments where ideas can be shared, discussions can be had, and people can collaborate on things. So hopefully this helps with the creating of posts.